Hey everyone, my name is Paul, and in this video I'm replacing the handlebar grips in this Chinese scooter. Take out two Phillips head screws from the right side switch. Pull the top half off, then disconnect the end of the throttle cable. Slide the grip off the handlebar. My scooter needs a new throttle grip. My new throttle tube doesn't fit very well, so I'm trimming the plastic to make more room. Now the throttle turns easily. Install the throttle tube on the handlebar and make sure to push the pin into the hole in the handlebar. Hook the end of the throttle cable into the throttle tube and install the top half of the switch. Reinstall two Phillips head screws. Adjust the cable so there's a little bit of play in the grip and the throttle snaps all the way closed when you let go of the grip. The left grip on my scooter fits very tightly on the handlebar. I had to force it off with channel lock pliers. The new grip is held on by two set screws. The wrench is included. Make sure to tighten the screws evenly on both sides. That's it! Replacing the handlebar grips is pretty easy. Of course, they don't always fit right, but that's just how it goes with these Chinese scooters. Now, if any of you poor bastards out there have the misfortune of owning one of these things, be sure to check out my other scooter repair videos so I can help you through the many repairs that you'll be doing.